All right, jazz music has been part of Chris Guerrero's life for 30 years, and many of you have heard him right here on Great Day SA. We welcome him back. All right, you got a new show coming up, Chris.
I do.
Journeyman.
Yes, sir.
How'd you come up with the name for that show?
Well, the show's really it's a journey through my career as a musician, starting right here in San Antonio on the west side, and playing country and Tejano and oldies and all that good stuff, and then finding my love for jazz, moving into original music, and then my travels, how they impact.
So you can play just about anything. Would you say jazz is your absolute favorite?
It is, yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
And you have played all over the world, right?
I have, yes. I've been lucky enough to have visited 110 countries and I don't know how many cities, and lived in a few different places in Europe and Asia.
And you even had a residency in Vegas, right?
Yes, I was at a lot of strip casinos.
Not a lot of folks can say that. I mean, that's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool myself. All right, is this a one-man show?
It is not. It's a full band show.
Okay.
Got a 5-piece band behind me, and we have an opening act as well called Carbon Lily. She's fantastic.
Oh.
Yeah, she's wonderful.
It sounds like a great night is what it sounds like.
It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of great music, and a beautiful place too.
Okay, where can they get tickets?
So it's going to be at the Little Carver Theater on Hackberry Street near downtown, and they can get tickets at Ticketmaster.com. They can search Chris Guerrero Carver, easiest way to do it.
Okay, and Chris, we want to thank you so much for being on the show as many times as you have. We really appreciate that. And there we go, the show where it's going to be right there at the Little Carver Theater. There's all the information, and here is Chris Guerrero performing Take Me Down to Paradise Road.
We used to drive down Paradise Road, a million miles and nowhere to go. American dream in a neon machine. What we had was all I would ever need. But even in the desert, a rain must fall, and through the summer breeze, I still hear you calling my name. And I feel the same. A million bright lights on a Saturday night make you forget what's wrong and what's right. Place our last bet, spend our last dime. Never knew all we were losing was time. On this dark desert highway we would drive all night. In the morning sun, never saw such a beautiful sight. Everything was alright. Oh, I miss those days, driving 95 and high, never minding the cold. Oh, I miss the way we swore we'd never grow old. Down on Paradise Road. Wind in our hair, sun in our eyes, another glorious day to be alive. And chasing the stars in the light of the moon, never thought it would end so soon. Couldn't make a living being wild and free. The summer we shared, your memory still lives in me.